We have a 2005 F350 Power Stroke, extended cab, long box, aluminum wheels, XLT, four-wheel drive. Tires are approximately 25%. Got a little ding in the back quarter here. It has a fifth wheel ball, sliding rear window, a little bit of rust just starting to come on the top of the fender flare. Running boards, stainless steel kit, aluminum wheels. Seat does have some wear. 122,000 mile, one owner truck. Air condition does blow cold. AM FM cassette CD. There's the towing trailer brake system. Again, four-wheel drive, extended cab. 122,000 miles, one owner, no accidents. If you have any questions regarding this truck or anything else on our auction, please call Wayne at 763-242-9496.